Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Renelle. So the video that we're going to be doing today, sorry about that, is an unboxing video, and I kind of opened the box already because I just received it this morning, and it's like, wait a minute, did I order something? I was like, I really can't remember if I ordered anything or not. So when I opened the box, I was very, very pleasantly surprised to realize I got my order a day early. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, that's fine, because I really didn't say anything about what the unboxing was. So I kind of just like took the keys, ripped it open, because I was in the car and I was like, oh yeah, I had to go get my nails done, so I was in kind of a rush. This is what my nails look like. They're very, very pretty. They're almond shaped. They're like the French ombre. I'm absolutely in love. And the place that I go to was in another county, so I was like, okay, let me just see what's in here real quick so I know, not to be surprised or anything. And when I opened the box, I was very surprised. So this is what the box looks like. Now, you may be wondering, well, what's so special about it? Well, I ordered another pair of sunglasses from Quay, or Quay. I guess, I don't know. This is a third pair from, I still really don't know how to say the brand's name. I mean, it's fairly easy. I just always want to call it Quay or Quay for some reason. So the first pair I got was from, they're Roxanne. They're from Jaclyn Hill. The second pair I got, that video is not up yet. That will be up before this video. So you'll see what kind that is in that video. I'm still working on it. Unboxing. So this is what the box looks like, of course. As you can tell, it does come very well protected. Just like the other two did. Okay. Now, I've not looked at these sunglasses. I have no idea what they look like. Honestly, I just ordered these like last week and they're here already. Let's see. Okay, so JOLO, or Jennifer Lopez, came out with a collaboration. And of course, I love her. She's like really iconic, and her sunglasses are really, really pretty. So I did go on there, and I did want a pair of her sunglasses. So the last two pair of sunglasses I've got, they're like the aviator style, and I love them. This is called the Playa. These were $60. For shipping and tax was $68.90. So for everything that I got, now you can spend so much and get free shipping. I didn't want to spend that. And the way that I actually bought these was the after, what is that called? It's after payment or after something. What you do, you go on there, you select what you want. You have to put in either your credit card information or your debit card information. They automatically will take one payment, and then they will schedule like 3 remaining payments. So you have like 4 payments altogether. So what happens is you get one payment taken right then and there, and then they'll schedule the rest of the payments. So like for this was almost $70. I paid like $17 on the first one, and then it's like $17 for the next couple of payments as well. And they schedule every couple of weeks. So you can always go on there, and pay more, pay now, just whenever you have extra money. But this is a way that, because I've cut up my credit cards, I've quit spending so much money on them, except for my Ulta card. I am not getting rid of that. That sucker is like my lifeline. I got rid of my Sephora card. I got rid of all my other credit cards. So I will not be doing any like big hauls from Sephora, because I did do that on that credit card. And since I no longer have that card, I'm done with that. But my Ulta, girl, you know. I ain't getting rid of that anytime soon. So anyway, we'll just pull the sunglasses out. So this is what the box looks like on the inside, of course, Sorry, one of my friends is asking me about my nails. Okay. So this is what it always arrives in this kind of packaging right here. So it says Quay, Australia, or Quay, Australia. It does come in like tissue wrapping. So I'll go ahead and I'll open it. Well, I don't even have to open it. We'll just pull it out. No sense in destroying such pretty packaging. So it always comes in a Ziploc bag. And every single one I've ordered has always came with a case. So like the one with Jaclyn Hill, it's got the leopard style, which is in my purse, and that's in there. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Sorry, my light acts like it wasn't too bright. So this is what it looks like. I'm not taking these out. I have no idea what these look like in person. I'm going to go ahead and open the bag. Okay, so I'm going to pull out the, oh my gosh. This is the case for the playa, or for her, okay? You do get one of these little gel things. I recommend throwing that away. I'll have to throw that in the garbage. Ooh. And this is lined like really nice. It's really, really pretty. It's very simple. And down here, it just say Quay or Quay, Australia. So you do get the engraving right there. Now for the sunglasses themselves. Let's go ahead and pull these out. So these right here is how it is always wrapped, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these. Oh my gosh. And as you can tell, it's got like the leopard detail. That's another thing. That's the reason why I grabbed these instead. Because I love leopard. Like, leopard is my favorite all-time style. Well, not style, but you know, my, like, if I could, I would, you know, well, I wouldn't own a leopard, but you know, anything leopard I love. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this plastic off here. I'm also going to pull this little booklet off. I never keep that. And I'm going to go ahead and pull off this. Oh. These are supposed to be bronze, I think. So this is what it looks like right here. It's very, very pretty. I love this style of sunglasses. And as you can see, they're not huge on my face, which is really awesome. Because like right through here, I always have trouble with them like sliding down my face. And these do not. The one that I got, the style Roxanne from Jaclyn Hill, they are a little bit big here. Because I have a very small face. And I love to have sunglasses that cover my eyes, but not so big on me that they overwhelm my face. And I feel like these don't. I don't even know what that was, sorry. These don't. They're not huge or nothing like that. So I do like them. They're very lightweight. They're not heavy at all. They're very, very comfortable. Like right through here where I normally have trouble with the nose pieces, they're not even digging in, because like I wear glasses where I wear glasses so I can see what I'm doing at work and stuff like that. And even when I'm editing my videos, I have to wear glasses. So I'm very, very conscious of how they rest on my cheeks, because you can tell the dent. Now these right here, I mean, you can tell obviously they're like on my face, and I mean they're not like resting on my face, which is awesome. That way my makeup does not rub off while I'm testing it and stuff like that. So I actually, these might be my favorites. I don't know. I'm pretty wild about my Jaclyn Hill, but these are like really good. So I will go ahead, of course, and wear these out. I do have to go pick my son up from school. And I will wear these out and test them out and take a picture. And I will show you all when I come back from testing this. Now, I can already tell right here, just having them on for a few moments, like right through here, has some makeup on it already. But, you know, I do like these. And the way they fold and stuff, they're like, watch this. They're very secure. So I definitely am very pleased with this. Again, these was $60. Their sunglasses are not cheap, but they're not expensive like the Ray-Bans and stuff. And I have to admit, this being the third pair that I own, they have lasted me. They've done me so well. And the Jaclyn Hill, I love those. But these, I mean, I don't know. But I will be back in a few minutes with a picture of me outside with them. Hopefully the sun comes back out, so I will see you all in the next little